HP Plus Flash is a liquid-applied, one-component elastomeric material for use as a flexible, vapor-permeable, waterproofing flashing membrane for rough openings.
Start by applying HP Plus Flash to an inside corner of the rough opening and extend at least 6 to 9 inches up the jamb. Run a bead of HP Plus Flash over areas where the sheathing meets up with the framing members. Next, apply HP Plus Flash in a zigzag pattern across the window return and onto the sheathing. Using a zigzag pattern helps HP Plus Flash spread easily and consistently across the rough opening at the right thickness. Continue to spread HP Plus Flash across the face of the sheathing, forming a continuous and pinhole-free membrane. Extend HP Plus Flash at least 4 inches onto the water-resistive barrier. Pay attention to the sheathing, making sure that they are fully covered and the entire application is pinhole-free. Continue to apply HP Plus Flash using the same technique to the jamb and head of the window.
So even notice the irregularities of where the various fastener holes are and where the nailing fin bows away. You still have a continuous joint or continuous membrane along the whole length of the window, providing seamless, watertight coverage.
Please view BASF's HP Plus Flash website.